Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add end screen to YouTube Shorts. A YouTube end screen is a short video that can be added to the end of each YouTube video. End screen can also be referred to as YouTube end cards, which include elements creators can add to drive engagement like related video content, channel logos, website link, social media handles, any other YouTube channels, and online stores. You can even add animated text reminders for viewers to like and comments on your video and subscribe to your channel. To add an end screen to your YouTube short or video, follow these steps. Sign into your YouTube Studio. Click on the Create button or the camera icon with plus sign and select Upload Video. Select your video file. Add a title, description, and tags as required. Then click Next to proceed. After completing the details page, click Next to reach the video elements section. Now look for the Add an End Screen option. Click on Add Next to the End Screen option. The End Screen editor will open. Here, you can add different elements such as video or playlist, promote another video or playlist. Second, subscribe button. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Third, channel. And the fourth, link. If you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can link to external websites. Now, choose an end screen template. Select a template from the list or create a custom layout. You can choose pre-designed layouts with specific elements, example, one video and the subscribe button. Drag and drop the elements to adjust their position on the screen. And then adjust the timing of the end screen. The end screen can only appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. Use the timeline below the video preview to position your elements within the appropriate time frame. Once you're satisfied with your end screen design, click Save. Then continue with the upload process. Visibility, publishing settings, etc. Tips for end screen design. Ensure the end screen doesn't obstruct important parts of your video in the final seconds. Keep the design clean and visually appealing. And use a call to action to guide viewers like watch next or subscribe for more. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.